Up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna do a quick walk around. Bunch of nice cars out here. We're gonna go check them out. Take some pictures. Make a video. If you like cars, like and subscribe. Tell me what car is your favorite. But yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera. Yeah, this little fucking thing. This thing is dope. It's fucking sweet. I like cars. This is sick too. Oh. It's a boost. Thunderbird. It's a classic. Sheesh. It's a cool ass Mustang over there. This thing's sick too. Love car people.
I like to do.
Sheesh. It's fucking sweet. All brand new. That's a sexy car right there. Mustang. Sweet. I love mini car shows. Mustang. Look how low this Mustang is. That's sick. So low. I like this color. This color's fire. Jeez. These fucking old school things, man. Crazy. Nice car. You're gonna start it up? Let's hear it. Oh. This thing's sick. You shouldn't want to start for me.
COVID, but I think it's Dave Dickinson. Dave Dickinson was doing that, or you can email, yeah. Dave
Good
Dickinson.
old El Camino. I think it's dope. Okay, let's hear this car. Woo! There you go. That's her. Yeah. Tell me what your favorite car is. Then we got these guys in their Subarus. Back to this car. Anyways. Tell me what your favorite car was. They're all pretty fucking sweet. Good old A&W. A&W car show. Yeah, anyways. Oh, listen up her. Sheesh. Anyways, let me know what your favorite car was. That was my quick little vlog, car show, video. Woo, still hauling ass. I don't know, I like cars, so I had to stop. I seen it when I was leaving downtown, so I had to stop. But anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Hopefully they do Hot Night in the City this year. So I'll be fucking happy.
Bluetooth.
I'll be in my glory if they do Hot Night in the City. I don't see why they wouldn't.
Connected.
September, usually, I think. Yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite car was. And I'll be back for another one. Peace. Oh, I just hit the picture button. Peace.